Parish Patil can be brought online, and if we can get a feedback from him, and he is here. Thank you so much for accepting that invitation and being here. And I just want the output from you in terms of answering that questions. So 1 minute introduction about yourself, Harish, to the entire crowd.
Actually, I am a 19-year-old student studying in second year School of Journalism and Mass Communication in Delhi. I started my career in stock market when I passed 10th. In the first year and in the first half, actually, I lost an amount of more than 25 lakhs in the market.
You lost 25 lakhs.
Yeah.
And you started at what age? Now you said you are 19-year-old, but you started when you were what age?
16.
16. Who gave you that much money to lose, first of all?
My dad.
Okay, your dad gave you money. You had a rich dad. Great. Okay, then what happened?
Then I started with the ZTM course in last year.
Okay.
From that course itself, my life totally got changed.
Okay.
My P&L got changed from losses to profits.
Okay, you say your P&L got changed from losses to profit.
Yeah.
Forget others believing you. First of all, I myself, being your mentor, being your trainer, being your guru of trading, all that, I don't believe that your losses have gone to profit. So how do we believe? And can you show for these people your performance right now? And I want you to do it from your end. I don't have anything here to type or change my screen. From your screen, I want you to show your performance on what you did in trading. First, show us the performance, and then let us then go from there. Can you do that?
Okay, sir, definitely.
Okay, show me what is your ledger performance, and I want you to share the screen. Is the opportunity for you to access that screen? Everything is there. Oh, super. You are more technically savvy than this Rudra here. And this is a live streaming going on, and no editing, no joining, and no zooming in and zooming out and other stuff, because that's how people do editing and all. Okay, I want you to log into your ID. That's what you're doing. So VDR0121. Okay, password is what? Star is your password. Okay, go ahead fast. Login. Okay, go ahead and then show me what is your financial performance. Okay, financial combined report and go.
This is what is the net balance. I had started my portfolio with the amount of 25 lakhs in the December 2020. Okay. I am paying the amount of 25 lakhs. Investment is 25 lakhs.
So you started with 25 lakh rupees when? Yes.
In December 2020.
December 2020, you started with 25 lakhs. So I'll also have a calculator right now. Okay, great. What is your balance right now?
The balance is 56 lakh 55,706, as you can see on the screen.
Okay, so it is 56 lakh 56,706.
Yeah.
You started with, you said what capital?
25 lakhs.
25 lakhs. So what is the profit you have made till date, keeping aside your capital? So that is 56,706 minus 25 lakh. So that means you have made a profit of about 31,56,706. Am I right?
Yes, sir. You're absolutely right.
So on percentage terms, you have made a return of about 126.268. So approximately you have made about 126% return. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Now, what I'm also doing is, for my purpose of learning, okay, I'm just checking what was Nifty during that date when you started at around December, and what is Nifty now. So if I'm just checking that on my screen, just to compare the returns what you have made, Nifty on the day when you have done to now, the return, if I see, 13,350 was Nifty, and now I'm taking the latest close, which is 17,050. Nifty from 13,350 to 1750, the return is 27.72%. So Nifty has given a return of 28% on the higher side. During the same period, you have made a return of 126%. And this is there on the screen. And can we all give a big round of applause for the performance what we see on the screen and no Excel sheet? And I'm so happy, so proud about you, Harish Patel. Can we have some questions to you now? And can I just take out this? Can I ask you to take out this report,
Yes,
whatever
sir.
you are showing? And
Yes,
can
sir.
we have you on screen for some questions?
Yes, sir. Before, just a second, sir. Let me pause my share.
Okay. So it's all happening live. We don't even edit anything, straight. Go ahead.
Sir, actually, I was 16 years old while I had started my journey. That's why I done one thing, that I have opened the account in the name of my dad. That is Rachana Mahadevappa Patil. As you can see on the screen, the P&L is on my dad's name.
Okay.
Because
So
I
you lost
wasn't
your dad money. Now you have made money for your dad.
for my dad.
Fabulous, fabulous. First of all, before anything, I feel more than you. Don't take me wrong, but I'm just talking straight from my heart. I feel more than you. The credit has to go to your dad,
Yes.
Rachanna Mahadevappa, who has given that encouragement to you to be in market, to come back from where you lost and see this. So all credit also to go to him. Can we have a round of applause to his father, Rachanna Mahadevappa, who has given him as a father? This is what I want the person to do, and also trust his son. And this comes with your hard work and learning. Now, keeping all these things aside, Harish, tell me, what was Harish Patel trading before joining the program of ZTM and even the program of MTC and mentorship? What were you before is what I want to know.
Before joining to the start of ZTM, actually, I was not knowing how does market work. I was working upon some XYZ companies tips, and I was not having any patience. Blindly, I was trusting to anyone. But after joining the day one of ZTM itself, I understood that I will not leave Rudra for my life.
Okay. And
Then
what changes did you see after doing ZTM, and then you even did the program completely MTC, and you even joined mentorship? You did not leave till there. So what differences did the ZTM program, the whole MTC program, which had TAME, which had even programs of market profile made easy, Rudralogy, order flow, all this MTC plus the mentorship, this entire learning, what changes has it made to Harish?
these entire learnings are like the MTC program and the mentorship. These are like a property which don't have a value. Means we cannot count the value of this property in terms of rupees. Anyone can be, especially I will be ready to give a blank check. And your name must not be Rudramurthy. Please change your name. It must be Value Murthy.
Value Murthy, okay.
That's what
Why you call Value Murthy?
Because you give tons of value, tremendous value, which we cannot even calculate.
Okay, Harish Patel, tell me so that our people here understand and even learn from you that what were the changes you made to move from a person who lost 25 lakh in market, and now you have recovered beyond that, and on screen we all see you making 126% return, and on a capital of 25 lakh you have made 126% return, which is not easy and simple. And you have shown for last 1 year full, that is from the date when you started in December 2020 to now November end, you have shown this performance also. So what differences did you make? Is it the trading system which helped you? Is it the risk management which helped you? Is it the position sizing? Is it what? What are the changes you saw? And what do you want to tell to people here who are watching this video on what if they make as changes, they can also move from a losing trader to a profitable trader like you? What are those changes they should do? Harish, are you there? You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the question is very tough, tougher than the market. Huh? Okay, I want you to answer and help our viewers.
Yeah. At first priority, I would give to the risk management system, which has been taught by you. I would like to say, if you work with an extraordinary trading system with the ordinary risk management, it doesn't work at all.
Okay.
But if you work with an extraordinary risk management system and extraordinary trading system also, then you will rock on. And Rudra has provided me the both.
Fabulous, fabulous. So nice to know. So you're saying risk management is number one. Extraordinary risk management with even ordinary system is good, but if you have extraordinary risk management and extraordinary trading system, that's a super combination.
Yeah.
But if you have a poor risk management and even an extraordinary trading system, it's of no use. So you say having extraordinary risk management is very important, plus an extraordinary trading system will make it like an icing on the cake.
Yes, sir.
Super. What else other than risk management and trading system which is important?
When to take leverage and when not to take leverage, we must know this thing.
Fabulous. In fact, I'm so proud about you. And what is your today's age?
19. That's
19.
your experience. Your experience is my age.
Okay, so nice to know. My experience is equal to your age, and my experience in market is just as equivalent to your age. Means I'm just wondering, when you become 39 years old like Rudra, where will you be? Now you are still 19, and power of compounding is so powerful. It works fabulously. So I'm so proud about you. You're talking even about leverage, when to take leverage and when not to take leverage. Can you just explain more about this leverage and when to take and when not to take?
When to take leverage, it seems like with the good risk reward ratio and a good risk management system and trading system, if you find any opportunity, good opportunity in the market, that's time to take a minimal amount of leverage, good leverage. But if the market is moving very much volatile, that time you must lessen your positions and increase your range of trading.
Excellent, fabulous. In fact, I can only tell you this way. I can simplify what you have talked to everyone and make it easy for them. When you get a full toss, no ball, free hit in cricket, you have to try then hitting the ball to a sixer because you can't get out. Every ball you should not try hitting it to six, and you have to wait for that right opportunity to take that big leverage when your trading system, when your trade edge, and when your risk management supports you. Do I make it so easy and clear to people with this?
Yes, sir. Right.
Superb,
Exactly.
superb. So nice to have you, Harish Patel. And just give them one tip, what you want to tell to a lot of people who are here, who are looking forward to take up programs of Rudramurthy. Let it be ZTM program and later MTC program and finally mentorship. What is that one thing you want to tell these people?
Never lose the person like Rudra throughout your life. Stay connected always.
So you want Rudra to be stay connected to these guys and not to lose this great opportunity.
Yeah.
Fabulous. But let me tell you, I've just been one of the person who gave you the path, but you have walked the path by taking responsibility and being committed. Thanks so much for you and to your entire family for giving this boost up to you in your life. A long way to go. Be a continuous learner. Stay humble. And what you want, money, is just a result or a byproduct which will always come if there is effort. Krishna says this beautifully. He says, just do your work. Do not bother about the result. He says, I am there to take care. So when Krishna is there to take care of the result, our job is only to put in the required effort and commitment towards that learning journey. And thank you so much, Harish Patel, for being here. Congratulations on your 126% return what you have made in last 1 year. And in that period from last December to now, Nifty has given only 28% return. You have outsmarted Nifty with an alpha of close to 5 times, or I can call it from 28% to whatever return of 126% you have made it 5 times bigger than Nifty. You have not given 1 or 2% alpha. Your 100% alpha is there. That is Nifty giving some 28% return, your return 126%, 98% of alpha you have with you. I'm so proud of you and thank you so much for spending this time. Thank you, Harish.
Thank you, sir, for guiding me and accepting this child as your student. Thank you, sir.
God bless you.